Welcome to the Penthouse at 408 Greenwich Street in prime Tribeca. I'm Diane Sutherland with Douglas Elliman Real Estate, and I would love to give you a tour of this extraordinary and unique penthouse, which has been a thoughtful collaboration between the owner, who has impeccable taste, and Stephen Harris Architects. This elegant penthouse is a rare combination of space, light, and dramatic views, and a truly unique feature, which I'll show you later. The level of finishes throughout are of the highest quality, beginning with this Jean Prouvé-inspired custom-made door, which is made of bronze and glass, which welcomes you from the keyed elevator into this lovely entry gallery. And the attention to materials also include Cerussed oak and Corian walls. From the foyer, you walk into this expansive 40-foot-long great room, flooded with light from 14 oversized arched windows facing south and east, overlooking Tribeca and Lower Manhattan. Each space has its own identity, including several stylish sitting areas where you can relax, dine, perfect for entertaining a large gathering or an intimate dinner for two. The open chef's kitchen, efficient as it is beautiful, features Corian custom cabinetry, 2-inch thick marble countertops, and an imported French lava stone. And for the ultimate in cooking, the La Cornue range. But my favorite feature is a stainless steel scullery kitchen, so you can entertain and hide all the mess from your guests. The primary bedroom faces south and west for incredible sunlight and tranquil sunsets over the Hudson River. This completely private ensuite includes an office, 2 gorgeous walk-in closets, and the primary bath is wrapped in silver travertine and includes a cast iron tub. But after all, this is a duplex, so let me take you upstairs. And see all these shelves? They're suede. Welcome to this spacious media room with a wall of south-facing windows, inviting you to walk directly out to the Terrace Garden, which is designed by David Kelly of Reese Roberts. And the terrace has 4 pleached hornbeam trees. A little side note, they're known for their mystical heritage. One more thing, they are a landmark in Tribeca. Morning, midday, and evening, this residence offers spectacular views, rich in color, and dazzling city lights. Thank you for taking a look at this exquisite Tribeca penthouse.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?